Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature on LinkedIn: how to show your network profile photo option. This updated process allows you to control who can see your profile picture, ensuring that you connect with the right audience. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing your profile and settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see a menu pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. In this section, you'll find options related to your account settings. Look for the Display category, which is where you'll manage how your profile appears to others. Under the display options, click on Show Profile Photos. This is a crucial step that allows you to set visibility preferences for your profile picture. Now, you'll be prompted to choose who can see your profile photo. Select your network from the available options. By doing this, you're ensuring that only those within your network can view your profile picture, enhancing your privacy while still allowing connections to recognize you. Once you've made your selection, simply exit the settings. Your changes will be saved automatically, and now your profile photo will only be visible to those in your network. Remember, having a clear and professional profile picture is vital for making connections on LinkedIn. It helps others recognize you and adds a personal touch to your professional interactions. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn settings to show your network profile photo option. This small adjustment can significantly impact how others perceive you on this professional platform. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to explore more features on LinkedIn to enhance your networking experience. Happy connecting.